95% of the people cannot solve this equation within the next 6 seconds. Can you do it? Okay, before me going to solving it, please choose one of the answers and comment down below which answer did you get. So to solve this type of equation, of course, we must use the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, and it must to be done in the first place. E stands for exponents, it should be done in a second. M and D, multiplication and division, they both have equal priority and needs to be done in third place, and from left to right. And addition and subtraction, they also have equal priority. So first we need to do the parentheses. What we have here, we have 1 multiplied by 6. So even within the parentheses, multiplication has higher priority over addition. So we have 1 multiplied by 6. It's 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So we have 12, okay, square minus. So here we need to tackle the multiplication. Some of you guys can start directly with the subtraction, which of course it's wrong. If you like the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To help you better visualize the order of operation, I advise you always to use the brackets in such type of equation. So in this case, we need to tackle the multiplication. So what we have is 4 multiplied by 11, we have 44. And of course, in the end, we have minus 100. So of course, 12 square is 144, minus 44, and minus 100. We get 100, because 144 minus 44 minus 100, and the correct result is 0. So this is the correct result. Please comment down below if you got 0 or another result. Thank you very much for watching the video. Ciao, ciao.